Welcome to our next episode of Box TV. Now this episode is about the look. The look is what you get after you get couple beatings. Well, Jamaican parents them make up this thing where them give you the look where you supposed to know what it mean because them don't want to beat you again. After you do something wrong and you get couple beatings, them come up with this thing called the look. Now you see them make a video scene and we talk about people for beat them kids and discipline them, and couple people, well, couple white people get upset and talk about, oh, I don't put my kids on timeout. I beat my kids. That's a honor. But it's only white people will get this timeout from. Put Billy in the corner and Billy goes stand up and I look on the wall about timeout. And while him there over there are looking at the wall, him a plan some mental fuck shit to massacre the whole family. But anyway, our timeout is a box and a kick. But this episode is really about the look. Now, I tell you how the look work. Now, if you do something well enough to do and you get the look, whatever you do, stop it. Walk away. Go sit down somewhere. Cause guess what? If you get the look and you still do well enough to do, two things are gonna happen. One, them are gonna grab the nearest object them can find and fling it off for you. Two, them are gonna rush you and box you till your ears ring. You can't say you never know because guess what? You did get the look. So that means stop where you do, behave yourself. Because the look, you know, is a warning look, you know. That look they dangerous, you know, you can't miss it, you know. Some of them look they come without verbal warning and some come with verbal warning like, hey! Some of them that have no verbal warning, them just themselves see I do something wrong and them just pay attention, you know. The look no fast, you know. This look it just slow and it dip on your meaning say them a watch you like a hungry lion in a jungle. I watch him pray. It's slow and it deadly. And then make sure them give you the eye contact, them looking at your eye, them a tell you say a beat na come. So guess what? If you don't want to get beaten, you don't want to get something fling off for you, just obey the look. Me tell you about what me know as a youth. I grew up. After a couple beatings, then comes the look. The look them different, but you're gonna know the look. Because it's just an eye contact tell you say a beat now come, something not gonna fling on fire, or you get a box. Jamaica me born and grow, them something never go through because some of the time we stubborn and we never want to hear and we do the same thing over and over what we get beaten for. So we have to continue to get beaten for stop it. After a while, yeah, we stop it, yes. The look come, which means you don't really have to get beaten no more because they have the look. Only if a way you can discipline a youth, but as some you get discipline. So watch out for the look. If you know about the look what I talk about, share, comment, like, box. Don't move your face. And don't forget to sign on to Box TV, Facebook, IG, YouTube. Box. Don't move your face. Behave yourself. Gone.